Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify? In this video, we will walk you throughout the steps to link your domain to your Shopify store, giving it a professional touch. Follow along and get your store up and running. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we will need a couple of things. First, we will need a domain name from Namecheap, which you could get for a very decent price, such as they have various kind of promotions and discounts. So for example, I can go to namecheap.com, as you can see right here, go to domains and go for a domain name search, which will give you the ability to write the name of the domain that you require. For example, here I'm going to write Titan Video, and after that what I did is I got this Titan Videos, and I will have variations of domain names that I can buy for a certain price. For example, titanvideos.com, which is .com is basically the most global one. It will cost me around $2,795. Yes, it is expensive, but this is the value of this domain. So there is another person who bought it and is selling it for this price. So basically here we have other variations such as titanvideo.org, titanvideos.bot, titanvideos.net, and titanvideos.ai. Now the prices of each domain will vary depending on the trend. For example, nowadays AI is basically the trend at the moment. So when we are trying to find out, or to basically talk about getting a domain that's and finishes with AI, it has a higher demand in the market than any other domain in the market. So basically AI of course will have the highest price. If you want something cheap, well, you can go with org. You can go here with live, info, pro, xyz, site, vip, such things that will cost you around $1 to $5. so these are the domain names. Now I have one already, so I have one in the dashboard. Let me just go to the dashboard, sign in and continue, and something like that they will send us like an email in the inbox. So we have to confirm our identity. There we go. I need please confirm. Let me just copy this one, and here I am, submit, and just like that we have logged into our site. So I have here my domain, and now we will try to connect it to the other website, which is Shopify. So let's go now to shopify.com. Go ahead and click on the login button, and right through here what I'm gonna do is to simply make sure to go to the settings, and as you will notice guys, I'm now on my store, and basically I'm on the free trial. So if we select a plan, here you will have all variations and what kind of things you will get from upgrading your plan. And I highly recommend that you upgrade your plan, because on Shopify it will only cost you $1. And in case you didn't upgrade your plan, well, you might be able to connect your domain name, which we will add right now, but there will be a problem in the way you are making it, because you will connect your domain, but after 3 days this website will no longer be working. So you try to end on July 4th, so this website will no longer be working after this date. So what should we do exactly about that? Well, it's pretty simple. Upgrade your plan with only $1. So here I'm gonna just add the domain, so I can show you really quick how we can add one. So I'm gonna click on add domain, and right after that I'm gonna change to a new my Shopify domain or connect an existing domain. So you have variation of things, and also you can buy a new domain, but for us we are going to connect existing domain. I'm going to copy my domain name right here, and I'm going to paste it in that specific place. So there we go. Click on next, And right after we did that, what we should do is follow settings instructions. So to connect your domain, follow the instructions to change your provider account settings. So click on them, and after we did that, we are going to be taken to another page that's gonna give us these simple instructions to follow. So connecting a third-party domain to Shopify. After you purchase a domain from a third-party domain provider such as Google Domains, GoDaddy, One-on-One, Ionos, you need to connect your domain to your Shopify store. Connecting your domain points your URL to your Shopify store so that customers can enter that URL into their web browser to visit your online store. After you connect your domain to Shopify, you still need to log in to your third-party domain provider to manage domain settings, pay for your domain, and renew it. So here we didn't really get exactly the things that we need, so let's go ahead and verify connection, as you can see, and they are still gonna give us like error. Here let's go like that, let's go with this one, and as you can see here we will find a lot of things that's gonna help us. So, and yeah, there we go. So after we clicked on verify our connection, they give us some information that we need to actually add. So here we need to copy this ad, so the name. So I'm gonna go right here to my domain, click on manage, and right through here what I'm gonna do is go ahead and edit the CNAMEs and much more details about it. So where are we going to find the CNAMEs? Well, you will find here custom DNS. You will name Namecheap basic DNS, Namecheap web hosting DNS, and there is the custom DNS. So these are called basically name servers. And basically now, guys, what we have to do is to go right here, advanced DNS. So I have changed a couple of things. So here we go, name servers. I have made it to Namecheap basic DNS. Then go to the advanced DNS section. Right here, you should go to host records and make sure to change them to these current information that we have in here. So we have to copy this one and keep pasting them step by step. So we need to first add a record. So I'm gonna click on add new record. It should be an A record, and here we put the IP address, and let's name it, for example, whatever, a record or something like that, whatever it is. We can not leave it empty, so we need to add something. So let's say in Namecheap, let's go like that, and we have added it successfully. Now let's add a CNAME, which would be having like the name. Let me just add here. Oh, we should change it as well. So let me just change this as well to add, just like that. All right, that's perfect. So let's add new record, which would be a CNAME. So let's go here and search for CNAME, CNAME record. Yep, here it is. Now the host name will be like that, name www dot, and the value, which is here, required value. So let's go here, target, and after that click on save changes. And just like that, after we verify connection, of course it won't be done in the moment, but it should at least take a couple of minutes. It could take up to 48 minutes to achieve the changes. Once it is done, everything will be good and your Shopify will be connected to your new domain. So that was it, guys, for today's video. Thank you, guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.